Aries is a fire sign. There are 3 fire signs. This is the first one of them. And we say it's related to the planet Mars. Mars, the warrior, the fighter, the conqueror, the one that physically, there's the physical energy and the muscular system in the body that goes out and gets what it wants from life. And Aries is the point when the light is still weak because they're equal, and the activity is starting to get more than the passivity, if I can say so, but it's still not very sure in itself. Aries is very actional, very dynamic, wants to move all the time, to go into new places and start new things. It's the beginner of new processes of life and so on, and to demonstrate that it's alive and that it's a factor. It's like a little baby that has to maybe even make a bit of noise so that people can notice that it exists. And why is it doing that? Because it's the first one in the cycle and it needs to also forget about the previous cycle. It's still conditioned by the previous cycle. And it wants to assert itself now in the real world, in life. That's all it's interested in. It's not interested in having any particular possessions for itself. It doesn't want to have a lot of things. That's more to do with the next one. But here it's action, instinct, pure physical force that needs to show itself. And that's why Arians are sometimes claim to be aggressive, but the aggression is not that aggression that wants to take from you for its own sake, but it's more, don't prevent me from living my life and doing what I'm here to do. It's individualism. It's wanting to make its own contribution to, contribution not in terms of to actually produce something, but to take part. And it is a new force, like a new life that still hasn't had the chance to experience a lot. It is here to get experience, to do things, so that it can look around and spread its seed. It's like the seed spreader, the spreader of life. What is associated with Aries is being courageous, being strong, and having a very strong will. Being able to assert your will is the principle of assertiveness, so that whatever you have decided to do or start can have a chance to live. And this usually gets them in a situation when they have to fight for it. They have to fight with life, with other people, with other people's interests, so that they can get what they want. And they have to, these people, they have a strong concentration on Aries, not only Sun in Aries. You can have a Sun somewhere else, but you can have a Moon in Aries, or a lot of other ways that this energy can play out in you. Would need to, this will needs to know what it wants. So in order to go and assert your will, this will has to decide what is it that it wants. So one of the tasks of Aries is also to pick up what it likes in life, what it's interested in, their own thing. And that thing then becomes a demonstration of who they are. Yeah? Okay, and it is really, as it says here, it's the first step of building personality. It's a very primitive energy. Could be impulsive, could be not interested in other people, not because it's got anything against other people, it's because it's too busy to move forward. One of the things that Arians hate is somebody standing on their way. Like in life, literally, like you're driving your car and there is a queue of cars in front of you and they're preventing you from moving. Anything that constricts or limits the movement or the freedom, it's a very freedom-oriented sign. And that's where their impatience comes from. They are very famous for being impatient with everything, not being able to stick with one and the same thing all the time. They're very good in business when the business is about starting something, a startup, or figuring out or coming up with a great idea. Very good leaders into new territories. They can lead others into new territories, but then they can stick with it. They are a cardinal sign. Somebody after them has to come and work with this. Which is why very often they change their interests, don't stay with the same thing for a long time, and when they skip steps or don't like also every fire sign. This is to do now with the element fire as energy. Is very intuitive. Just it's not that I know something or have learned something, but it just comes as an idea out of somewhere. And I am very impatient to start realizing that idea. And also, fire signs are imaginative. They work for and future oriented. Also, they're just in the future, in the next thing to come. They don't stay in the same place for a long time. Yeah, and which makes them kind of incapable most of the time. It's not easy for them to live in the material world, to do practical things, to order their everyday life in a way that it's structured, that they can respond to all those challenges of having to make a living, having to be committed to something, so that it stays in order, it's not falling apart. Very often these people need others' help of other energies, especially Libra, which is the opposite sign.
That's why we are leaders.
Yeah.
We are leaders and we are leading the other ones to do the job.
Yes, exactly. And one of the tasks is to choose, to be able to choose, and that's what the fire intuition helps for. Who is going to be good for that job?
Yeah.
And who to place in what role? Yeah, that's one of the things that all the fire signs are good in, but Aries, because it's got so much energy, Aries, this energy is often contagious to other people, and all fire signs look very action-oriented, so other people are easily attracted to them as potential leaders. It a little bit works like that. But you have to be serious enough, because if you are very impatient and you don't stay with the thing for a long time, you would lose the respect of other energies which are more concentrated.